Okay, guys, update. This is Cheese. Uh, Not long ago, I made a video about how to repair your flat tire on your bicycles or electric scooters. That I said that you can use this duct tape with super glue. That is wrong. Turned out that that is wrong. Jesus told me I had a miscommunication. I misunderstood him. He clearly mentioned about gorilla. Gorilla right here, gorilla. I thought he meant gorilla super glue. Turned out that that wasn't it. He said what he meant was get gorilla duct tape, not gorilla super glue. These two combination won't work. Both are bad. Both are bad. I've been having troubles with this. When I repaired when I patched up my tire, my tube for my mountain bike, with this, the tape is horrible. It doesn't stick. This is all-purpose, general all-purpose duct tape you available in hardware store. The bonding is very weak. It doesn't stay on. This is probably the worst type one out there. There are other duct tapes that are better, has stronger bonding strength. But also this one, super glue has problems. Turned out that when it dries, the bonding is strong, but when it dries, it cracks. It has tendency to crack even at micro level. Maybe you may not be able to see it with your eyes, but when it cracks and it breaks apart, the air gets out. Turned out that all the patches I have done with these, the air started leaking right away shortly after I patched it. So that the problem kept coming back and back again and again. I've been having a lot of problems with flats. Turned out that it's the same area where I patched was leaking air, so that was the problem. Jesus told me this is the one to get. Gorilla duct tape. He told me, he confirmed to me that yes, that is the one, not gorilla super glue. He said just use this. You don't have to use any other glue. You don't need to use you don't even need to use Jesus told me you don't need to use this repair patch kit, and you don't need to use the rubber cement glue that comes with the kit. You don't need to use that. He says just use this by itself. Use a scissors, cut out small piece, whatever piece you need to patch up your tube, your punctured hole. Make sure that the surface is clean. Make sure that there's no debris. If there's debris, sticky stuff there, you may want to sand it down a little bit using a sandpaper. Make sure that the surface is clean, and then just apply this, and that's it. And that solved the problem. I applied it on my mountain bike tube, and I left it on. I inflate the tire, and I left it on like this for a couple of days. It's hard like rock. No sign. The pressure's exactly the same as when I inflated the tire. It has been 2 days and there's no sign of leakage. So that solved the problem. Jesus told me this is the one. It's $10. Well worth it. It's more expensive, but look how big it is. This is 1.88 inch by 35 yards. It's a done deal. That's the one to go with. I wanted to make correction on that because this is bad solution right here. don't use super glue. Use Gorilla duct tape, not the super glue. And update. I got money, stimulus check. I got $1,400 stimulus check. I got $600 prior to that. I also got a tax refund from IRS. So my balance, my bank account, my balance went up to $3,088. And I finally took the plunge and bought a scooter, electric scooter. Where did it go? This one here. I bought this. I ordered it a couple of days ago. $5,600 electric scooter. Comes with the seat, similar to what I had before. This is a little bit shorter. It's got a little shorter wheelbase, a little bit smaller platform actually. The location for the shocks are different too. It's got dual shocks instead of one large one. Jesus says this is the one. This is the one that I told you guys before. That this is the one that I'll be getting. That I was waiting on tax refund money so that I can order it. This has the latest batch. This is Jesus knows what this scooter has and what it's capable of. He said that this one has really good battery. It has Samsung, the latest 21700 type lithium ion Samsung batteries. Those are very high performance. I mean, those are very good. The latest batch. Even the old version, the previous generation of Samsung and LG batteries are way better, miles better than the Chinese version batteries. They actually last, they are actually reliable, and they are not affected by cold weather. Unaffected. And it has more torque, more power output, more stable, much better. The battery doesn't get drained, it doesn't dip, spike, it doesn't drop voltage as easily like the Chinese ones does. It's better in so many ways. Jesus says this is the one. And that Jesus told me that I will be able to get controllers to upgrade. Just replace the controllers for the scooter, because this one comes with only 35 amp per controller. It has two controllers, 35 amp each, which is underpowered. It does not give you true 5600 watts, more like 4250 watts, something like that. But Jesus told me that I can get 55 amp controllers that will work with this. So I got that for $1,300. $100 discount and plus tax, it comes out $1,305. Waiting, it's gonna take me 2 months. 2 months to receive it. It's a long wait. I'll be using a bicycle seat, not that ugly one. Low profile, aerodynamic, lightweight bicycle seat with carbon fiber seat post. It will look very sleek. And Jesus told me the roadmap in regards to spending, shopping for this year. For this year. Right now After I bought scooter, my balance right now is 1,677. That's after paying rent. I'm still paying rent on my shed, $95 for the April. After I pay that, it will come out 1,1677 balance right now. Well, like I said, after the rent payment. And Jesus told me, because I want to get a mountain bike. I've been wanting mountain bike so bad, a new nice mountain bike. Jesus knows exactly what I like and what I want, what I crave for, just like all of you guys. Jesus knows. I've been going through a very hard time, very hardship, very hard life, and he does want me to get a mountain bike. He said $2,000 stimulus checks are coming. The fourth stimulus checks. Stimulus, $2,000. I don't know exactly when, but it's soon enough, he says. It will come soon. So that will come out $3,677. And he told me he actually picked out mountain bike for me. Jesus picked it out for me, one particular one. Although I wanted to have a nearly $3,000, $2,800 mountain bike from Santa Cruz, Highball 8, I think, or Cannondale Carbon, FSI Carbon 5. Those two are $2,700, $2,800. Jesus told me that this is my best candidate. Even though he was not against me getting, he showed me that he wanted me to have a nice mountain bike. And he said he would like me to have those nice bikes. But he said that this particular one is just almost as good as the more expensive ones that I like. And it's quite a bit cheaper for $2,200. This is $2,200 from Canyon mountain bike. Very nice. It's got very good high quality components, SRAM components. It's a 29-inch wheel, tire, carbon fiber frame. It's got the latest. It's the design, the geometry is almost perfect. And Jesus told me that I will be able to get it. He wants me to get it. He was supporting it. He is supporting it. That's $2,200. It will weigh around 23, 24 pounds. It's light. And it's not available right now. You have to order it, pre-order. I mean, when it becomes available. But this one will come pretty soon. It will be available sometime April. I don't know when I will be able to get it. But Jesus told me, be at rest that I will have it. So $2,200 plus shipping or tax. Bike. So that comes out. So after I order the bike, I will have $1,377. And then Jesus gave me, like I said, this is a roadmap. Jesus says, all this happening this year in matter of months, a few months, I don't know, but like this year. And he told me that I will be able to get insulation. I will have money to get insulation. Insulation with tools is gonna cost me about $750. Expensive. It's a high quality, high end. I showed you guys before. It's worth it. It's worth the investment. So that's gonna get me $627 after insulation cost. And Jesus told me that will give me, I will have enough money to pay rent, monthly rent, and also be able to buy some power tools. I need power tools because I need to build. I need to build external chimney tower for my stove, for my pipe going out the window. It will have a external. Jesus told me that he said to make it. So I will use power tool to make one. I was able to find metal, scrap metal, large cylinder shaped metal pipe, big pipe is, I don't know, around 10 inches wide, 10 or 12 inches in 10 inches in diameter, and it's about more than it's about maybe a yard and a half long, so it will be perfect size. I will connect legs to it to support, and then tie it or attach it to my window. I will be able to do a lot of things with power tools. I can do maintenance. I can do modifications for this shelter for better living, to prepare for winter. This is for winter, the insulation and stuff. So yeah, this is the roadmap for this year. As for buying a shed for my parents, I guess that's coming later. I don't know exactly when. I'm guessing next year, but I don't know for sure. But this is for this year. Oh yeah, and my sexy bike, my hot, sexy Trek 1400 bike. I use plastic bags to cover up, to seal, to cover up my crankset, my chain, and the cogs, the cassette on the rear wheel and the rear derailleur, because I waxed it. I made it look really clean. It looks so sexy. I don't want dust and smoke get on there, any dirt. So it looks ugly, but I used grocery plastic bag to cover it up. I wish I had a better stuff to cover this up. Oh yeah, with the power tools, I will be able to make my own bike rack, to hang on the wall. I will be able to, Jesus told me that I will be able to hang both two bikes, a mountain bike and the road bike. And I'm going to give that rally bike to my parents, my dad, when he comes here, when my parents move here. Yep. Scooter is coming in 2 months, and Jesus told me that I will be able to, he wants me to buy another trailer just like that one. That thing is not cheap. That's expensive one, $250 trailer. lightweight. That's 15 pounds. He told me that I will get another one of that and make it a train, connect each other. I can use power tools to connect, to link it, and it will, and then connect to my electric scooter, so it will turn into a train, and that I will be able to go 45 miles per hour with it. It's amazing. God has he has things planned for me. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be fun hauling stuff, and it's gonna draw a lot of attention because the drivers, the people on the street, they're gonna see what the heck is that? That's a train. I never seen it. You know, it's something that they have never seen before. It'll be cool. Yep, that's it for now. I will provide more updates when they become available. All right.